job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. So Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Right, team. Today we've got to finish putting those windows in the roof at the Lazenbys. Scoop, Lofty, Muck, you're with me.
And Dizzy, we're going to put up a new rotary dryer in Mrs. Potts' garden.
Oh, brilliant! What
A rotary dryer, Dizzy? Oh, it's a sort of,
Hello, Farmer Pickles. Of course we can. I've got some old tyres lying around the yard. It's no trouble. We'll be passing the farm anyway. That was Farmer Pickles. He wants us to drop off some tyres on our way to today's job.
Oh, right. Well, see you later, Bob. Come on, Dizzy. We mustn't keep Mrs. Potts waiting. She's probably got lots of clothes to dry.
What does Farmer Pickles need tyres for, Bob?
Good question, Scoop. I forgot to ask.
what is a rotary dryer, Wendy?
Rotary dryer, Dizzy. It's a washing line, only it spins round instead of being straight.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Ah, here's Bob with those tyres.
About time, too. Hang on, Spud. Muck to the rescue!
Lofty, can you give me a hand?
Yeah, I think so, Bob.
Right, Scoop. Can you put a few tyres on this corner?
No prob, Bob.
Careful, Scoop. There. That should do it. Oh, dear. I think you've got hay fever, Scoop.
What's hay fever, Bob?
It's an allergy, Scoop. It means if you go too close to something, it can make you sneeze and give you runny eyes. Some people are allergic to cat fur or dog hair.
Oh, dear.
You're allergic to things like hay and grass and flowers.
I know what Spud is allergic to. Work.
I heard that. Right. If no one here wants me, I'll go and find someone who does.
I think you'd better go back to the yard, Scoop.
Yeah. All right, Bob.
Come on, Lofty. Pass me some more tyres.
Hello, Mrs. Potts. Morning, Wendy. I can't decide where my rotary dryer should go. Could you hold it up for me so that I can see what it looks like over there?
You're back early. Where are the others?
Bob sent me home. I've got hay fever.
You better take it easy, Scoop.
Right then, let's get this finished. First job today, nail on the apron flashing and then the roofing felt.
But we didn't bring an apron, Bob.
Oh, no, Muck. Apron flashing. It goes under the windows to stop any water leaking in. We don't want the Lazenbys to have a wet loft, do we?
No, we don't, Bob.
OK, team. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, I think so.
Right, Dizzy. This is where the dryer will go. Are you ready with the cement?
Coming right up, Wendy. Whee!
Hello? Hello? Spud's here. I see. Too busy for Spud, are you? Here, catch. Oh, please yourselves.
I'm ready for some more tiles, Lofty. OK, Bob.
Here we are, Bob.
Be careful, Spud. Those tiles are easily broken.
Sorry, Bob.
Let Lofty do it, OK?
I was only trying to help, Bob.
Well, Spud, I've got another job for you. Why don't you go back to the yard and check that Scoop's all right?
You bet. Spud's on the job, Bob. Bob can rely on me. Don't worry, Scoop. Dr. Spud will soon make you better.
Woo! Brilliant!
Oh, Wendy, it's just the job. Here, just a little something to say thank you. Well, that's very kind of you, Mrs. Potts. My pleasure. Oh, my goodness.
It's Spud, the spinning scarecrow.
My new dryer. Get down, Spud.
I was just checking it works.
It isn't a toy, Spud. Anyway, shouldn't you be scaring birds?
Not today. Bob's given me an important job to do. Can't stand around talking.
Oh, that scarecrow.
Thanks, Mock. Well, I think we're all finished here. Hey, what's that, Lofty? Spud must have left it. We better take it back to the yard. Home we go.
Ta-da! Spud calling Scoop.
Oi! Don't wake him up, Spud. Scoop's not well.
I know. Bob sent me to look after him. I've got to find out what makes Scoop sneeze.
He's got hay fever, Spud. We know that already.
But what if he's allergic to something else? Like milk? Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Spud! Leave Scoop alone.
What about cat fur?
He is allergic to hay.
Hay? Well, what about me? Scarecrows are stuffed with hay.
Oh, what are you doing, Spud?
Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Don't be silly, Spud. You're made of old hay. Only fresh hay can make Scoop sneeze. Are you all right, Scoop?
Not too bad, thanks, Wendy.
These flowers are fresh. Do they make you sneeze, Scoop?
Spud!
That's done the trick.
Scoop! Spud, what's going on? Look out!
I'll take those. Thank you, Spud.
Spud, you're supposed to be keeping out of trouble.
I was only trying to help, Bob.
Well, don't!
All right, I won't. Here, do you think you could take this tire off me now, Bob?
Well, only if you promise me that you won't try and help anyone else.
I promise, Bob.
Great. And I hope that's the last tyre we'll have to move today.
Thanks, Bob. Spud's not on the job, Bob.